Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's take a moment to reflect on some remarkable events that happened on September 2 throughout history. In 1945, this date marked the official end of World War II, as Japan signed the surrender documents aboard the USS Missouri. This pivotal moment not only reshaped nations, but also brought hope for peace and rebuilding in a war-torn world. Fast forward to 1963, when the first episode of the iconic television series The Fugitive aired, captivating audiences with its thrilling storyline and unforgettable characters. And in 1972, the world witnessed the beginning of the Munich Olympics, which would forever be remembered for both athletic excellence and the tragic events that unfolded. These moments remind us of the resilience of the human spirit and the importance of remembering our past. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this journey through history, don't forget to follow for more fascinating stories.